I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to unblock someone on your Apple iPhone. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down this menu, and then tap Apps. A list of all of the apps installed on your device is displayed. Step 2. Tap Phone in this list. Phone options are displayed on the next screen. Step 3. Scroll down this menu and then tap Blocked Contacts. A list of all of the contacts you've blocked on your iPhone is shown. Step 4. Find the contact you want to unblock and then swipe slowly from right to left across that contact. An Unblock button will appear. Step 5. Tap Unblock. That contact will be unblocked on your iPhone immediately. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.